All right. What we gonna do?
Go fishing.
Where we going?
To Lake Ball.
What we gonna catch?
Crappies. We're going to catch six crappies and 6 catfishes.
Oh yeah, who we gonna beat?
Zach and Hunter and Stephanie.
That's right. How bad we gonna beat them?
So bad.
We're gonna try to, ain't we?
Yeah.
Who's gonna catch the biggest fish?
Me. And we get the
Okay.
tie.
Here we go. Who's gonna win?
Me.
Sissy, show him your llama. Sissy's got a special llama.
Yeah.
Who's gonna win?
Me. I was not winning. They supposed to win.
We gotta set some rules for this thing. We're gonna do most keeper fish.
That's what I was gonna ask you.
Wait.
That's what I was gonna ask you. I don't know. I think we ought to do weight because keeper's kind of.
Yeah, because you can go either way on key. Hang on, wait a second. Wait a second.
Dad, my dad blocked his
Catch
camera.
your trolling motor's getting awful close. Let's see, that's almost 6 feet right there.
Oh man.
Let's keep it back.
We got the police here.
Let's keep it back.
What'd you turn it off for?
I don't see the police.
No. So
I say most fish, or say weight.
I say we need to set a size limit and then say most fish. Say
Too big?
I say 6 inch. No, that's not too big. I say 6 inches.
I don't know what's like bluegill.
No, it's not. That's barely edible.
You think?
Yeah, 6 inches is barely edible. I'm gonna say 6 inches and then just a number.
Okay.
Well, we ain't got to mess with weighing them.
So 6 inches.
6 inch
number of
minimum
fish that are
and
6
the number of
inches.
fish that are 6 inches or
All
more.
right, and we're gonna weigh in at.
I don't care.
What time is it now?
Hey, wait up.
Hey, you guys are already starting.
Yeah.
Cheaters.
Cheers.
Hang on, sis.
We're
All
not
right.
cheating.
So what do you think?
I'd say 2 hours.
I'd say 3.
3.
I'd
So
say
it's
3.
3:19, 6:19, 6:15,
I'd say 6:15.
6:15. Wherever we are, we'll meet up.
You can handle them 2 for days.
Hey, who's gonna win? Sissy. Look here. Who's gonna win?
Me.
Clayton. Hey, who's gonna win?
I think it's going to be a tie.
A tie? We don't do ties.
Yeah, there is no ties.
There is no ties,
We don't
dude.
play with ties.
No.
We're not left wing nuts.
We're fishing for a bigger fish fry.
That's right. Fishing for bigger fish fry.
Winner gets a bigger fish fry.
Winner eats more fish.
I don't know. That's a good question. All right, dude. You ready to go? We gotta go. We gotta go secure our. All right, so we're here. Zach's right over there. Thinks he's gonna beat us, but I've got my 2 best sidekicks, 2 best fish catchers. I think we're gonna beat him. Who's gonna win? Yeah, let's go! Woo! We're going, baby! All right, what'd you think of that ride? No, sis, there's no fish in there yet. We gotta catch some. We gotta catch some and win.
Okay.
Okay? Got one. Yay! All right. Everybody's fighting over it, being bad. Yeah, I was glad just to see a little fish.
Did you go duckweed pocket?
Huh?
Did you go duckweed pocket?
No, I ain't been. I mean, I went past the tube and went. Yes, Papa. No, Papa. I got one. We got a big one. Alright, Dave's got one right here too. See? Huh? Dave's got one right here. Gotcha. Alright, show it to this camera. Back up a little. Stand right up here. Show it to the camera. Show it to it. There we go. Got another one. Look, it is 6:16, our cutoff, and we are getting ready to passing. Hey, buddy.
I legit just about caught a 4-pounder.
What's that?
I about caught a 4-pounder.
He caught a 4-pounder?
Almost. It fell out the dock.
There you go. That's a big one for this lake. There's only about 100 of them in this lake that size. Oh, I got another one. I got another big bluegill. I just found him. I got him. There we go. There's another one. All right, here's one.
Me, I do.
All right, here's one.
Listen, thanks everyone for sticking by me. It's been a while to figure it out, but I know now it's time for me to make some changes.
That's a big bat! Bobby!
Got one. All right, crazy driver, look out! What are you doing?
Driving.
Where are we driving to?
I'm right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, right here. Where are we going though?
Yeah, exactly. I'm going right here.
Where are we going? We going to that tunnel?
Yeah.
Tunnel!
Yeah.
Here we go!
Yeah.
Alright, so we're leaving the lake.
Yeah.
I think Zach and Hunter and Stephanie beat us, but we got on a little sneaky something there right at the last minute that made it kind of close. So
Yeah.
we got some food for the table now, don't we? We
Yeah.
got some fish to take home. What else we catch?
Yeah. A big bat.
Now what are you going to tell everybody? Like and subscribe.
I can subscribe.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hopefully gonna have some more with these two out here. What's that? You doing peace out?
Peace out.
Let's show them a little llama. You wanna do a llama?
Llama.
Llama. Special llama. Do your llama. Do your llama. That's her llama. Special llama. Llama. Peace out.